Are you looking to add the discount price on your product page, or you want to fix this sale price or add the compared price on your Shopify product page? Then you are at right video. Usually people go to their product page just like this, and then they set the compared price. And what they do is, after setting the compared price, it still won't shows up on their product page, just like over here. Okay, so there are multiple reasons that the product price is not showing on the product page. In this video, I'm going to share every single reason your discount price is not showing on your product page. There are multiple reasons that comes with the discount price, whether it's marketing settings, a variant issue, a theme problem, or you are confusing it with Shopify discounts. This is the discount. Mostly people do it. They get it confused with this discount, that when they add discount over here, they think that it should appear over here. So it won't work like this in this way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First thing first, let's head over to your Shopify admin, and then you have to click on this products. Once click on this products, it will open up this page, and where you want to add the discount or compared price, just click on that product and it will open the product page like this. Okay, so you have to add the compared price. If it has variants, then you have to scroll down and click on the specific variant that you want to add a discount. Okay, so simply click on it, and I click this medium size. If there is only one variant, then the compared price option will show on the main product page over here. If you have variants, then we have to move to the variants part. Click on this compare, and the first thing is that you have to keep in mind that compared price lower than equal actual price. This is the problem that mostly people set it. So what we have to do is this compared price should be larger than this product actual price. So I have to set it, like, let me set it to $150, and then what I have to do is it's set, and then I have to click this save button. Okay, so keep in mind that this compared price or discount is added only on the medium size, not on all this variant like large, small, XL and double XL. To add a compared price on all these variants, you have to simply click on all these variants like this, and then you have to set compared price on all these variants. I will let you know the one bulk method which is pretty fast than it. Go to the product page, scroll down, select all these variants, and then hit this bulk edit button. Once clicked, it will open this page. You have to click on this column and just untick all this option except price and compared price. So let me untick all these options. Okay, I have unticked all these options. So now the price and compared price are showing. You are able to update all these settings over here, and then you have to click the save buttons, just like you are updating the price on the Excel file, and then go back. It will update it on all these variants. So it's pretty quick method to update all these variants. So I have done it, and let me go back to my product page, and then I have already reloaded it. So it starts showing the strike through price or the sale price over here. Two more problems usually people face, that people go to this discount tab and add a discount on the product, and they think that it will start appearing on the all these products which strike through price over here, but it won't work like that in this way. Okay, so to add this price, like the strike through price, you have to manage it from the Shopify admin by clicking on each product one by one. And there is a bulk method which I will teach you in another video. Okay, so the one last problem people face is that you have to go to this market. It's the compared price usually hidden from the markets. So you have to click on this market and click on this international or any other markets that you are managing. And there will be an option for compared price. Simply click on it, and then it's tick for hide compared price on all the markets like European area markets or the markets you have selected over here. Just untick this, and this will start showing compare at price or discount price on your product page, just like in this way on all these markets that you have set over here. Okay, so this is the quick tutorial how you are able to solve these problems. I hope you this video helps you a lot. If you have any question or any problem related to your Shopify, just drop a comment below and I will try to record a video on that topic as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.